What did they do? No.
What are you talking about?
But they're hard. Oh my gosh. Where are they? No, seriously, where did you put them?
Put what?
You fucking... I found it. I found the heart.
I love you.
I love you. No. Uh-oh.
Oh, I need to be quiet.
Okay.
Your mom is coming and we're gonna get in trouble.
And then there will be silence.
I don't want your mom to wake up.
She's not.
You don't know that.
Oh, I know.
No.
No. Oh my god. I wish I was 21 right now.